How do I buy my first house in Nigeria? Congratulations on taking this step. But first of all, like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our guides and goodies here. Now, buying your first house in Nigeria starts with setting a budget and understanding your financing options. Now, options are many, okay? But number one option, your personal savings. Using accumulated personal funds to purchase properties outright. Now, most Nigerians use savings, cooperative contributions, and or mortgages. Okay. Now, number two, mortgage loans. Obtaining a mortgage from financial institutions, which typically required a down payment and regular repayment over a specified period of time. You will have to get a required down payment, and then you continue payment on a particular period of time, a specified period of time. On this, check out on my video on the list of banks in Nigeria that offer mortgages and their interest rates. Then number three, cooperative societies. Joining cooperative societies that offer members access to fund for property purchases. But be very cautious and verify before joining so you don't get scammed. Then click on my investment link in the description for an exclusive guide. Then number four, real estate investment clubs, very important. So pooling resources with other investors to collectively invest in properties. Companies like dpcrypts.com provide such exclusive opportunities to investors. Click on my investment link in the description for an exclusive guide. Okay. Then number five, developer financing. Some developers like Santorini Estates and DP Crypts, they offer payment plan or financing options for their properties. It is essential to assess your financial capacity and conduct with financial advisors to determine the best financing option for your situation. Then number six, important one, is to find an educated, qualified, reputable real estate agent to work with. Now, in that case, I am at your service, using my education as an economist and with my vast experience in the Nigeria real estate sector. Okay, so click on this chat link in my description to start with me as your qualified realtor. And always, very, very, very important, always verify property titles with the State Land Bureau and with a qualified realtor. That is always done for you. Now, for more details on that, I want you to click on my video and on how to verify, so you can watch on how to verify lands and property titles in Nigeria. Now, start with affordable estates. If you want to buy a house, you want to build a house, you start with affordable estates like Santorini Estates in Sapele, Delta State, which has been currently tagged the new Lekki in Sapele, Delta State. And take advantage of their cheap lands and properties now before the prices will increase, before the prices will go up. Or Lekki Phase 1 for mid-range budget. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the link in my description for Santorini Estates and Lekki Phase 1. Thank you very much.